In this session, let us learn about isEmpty, last index, replace, starts with two lowercase and uppercase string methods. Java string isEmpty method. The isEmpty method checks whether a string is empty or not. This method returns true if the string is empty, length method is 0 and false if not. Syntax: public boolean is empty method. See parameter none, technical details, boolean value true the string is empty, length is 0, false the string is not empty. See example, find out if a string is empty or not. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns false and true. Java string last index of method. The last index of method returns the position of the last occurrence of specified characters s in a string. Use the index of method to return the position of the first occurrence of specified character s in a string. There are 4 last index of methods: public int last index of string str, public int last index of method string str int form index, public int last index of int character, public int last index of int character int form index methods. Parameter str, a string value representing the string to search for. From index, an int value representing the index position to start the search from. If omitted, the default value is the length of the string. Character, an int value representing a single character, example capital A or Unicode value. Technical details, an int value representing the index of the first occurrence of the character in the string of -1 if it never occurs. Search string for the last occurrence of planet. See, if we read and execute this code, the result returns is 36. Java string replace method. The replace method searches a string for specified characters and returns a new string where the specified characters are replaced. Syntax: public string replace char search char new character. Parameter value search char, a char representing the character that will be replaced by the new character. New char, a char representing the character to replace the search character with. Technical details, a new string where the specified character has been replaced by the new characters. Returns a new string where all I characters are replaced with P characters. See the example, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is hippo. Java strings starts with method. The starts with method checks whether a string starts with the specified characters. Use the ends with method to check whether a string ends with the specified characters. Syntax: public boolean starts with string characters. This parameter chars, a string representing the characters s to check for. Technical details, a boolean value, a true if the string starts with the specified characters, false if the string does not start with the specified characters s. See the example, find out if the string starts with a specified characters. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns true, false, false. Java string two lowercase method and two uppercase method. The two lowercase method converts a string to lowercase letters. The two uppercase method converts a string to uppercase letters. See the index, public string to lowercase method, public string to uppercase method. This is parameter none. Technical details. Returns a string value representing the new string convert to lowercase. A string value representing the new string convert to uppercase. See the example, convert a string to uppercase and the lowercase letters. If we write and execute this code, the output result returns is, see, hello world in uppercase, hello world in lowercase. Java string trim method. The trim method removes white space from both ends of a string. Note, this method does not change the original string. Syntax: public string trim method. See the parameter none. Technical details, a string value which is a copy of the string without leading and trailing white spaces. Example, remove white space from both sides of a string. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is, see, the space between hello world, the space in front of the hello world was removed. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 66. is empty. Last index replace starts with to lowercase and uppercase string methods. In next video, let us learn about another topic, math methods.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.